Hey there, friends. Have you ever felt like you're running on empty? Or like your brain is a computer that's just crashed after too many tabs are open? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us, burnout. But here's the twist. I'm going to share some insider tips on how to cheat burnout and reclaim your energy. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's get into it. 1. Recognizing the signs of burnout. First things first, let's talk about recognizing the signs of burnout. It's sneaky. You might think it's just stress or fatigue, but it can lead to serious exhaustion if left unchecked. Here are some classic symptoms. Chronic fatigue, feeling drained no matter how much sleep you get. Irritability, snapping at friends or family over little things. Lack of motivation, struggling to find joy in activities you once loved. If this sounds familiar, don't worry, we've got solutions coming up. 2. Take a break. Seriously. Now, let's jump into our first strategy, taking a break. I know what you're thinking, but I have deadlines. Trust me, even a short break can work wonders for your mind. Micro breaks. Just 5 minutes every hour can refresh your focus. Nature escape. Step outside for fresh air. It boosts creativity. I remember one time I was deep into work and decided to take a quick walk around my block. By the time I returned, I had new ideas bubbling up. So, don't underestimate the power of stepping away. 3. Set boundaries like a boss. Next up is setting boundaries. This is crucial in avoiding burnout. Say no more often when you feel overwhelmed. Limit after-hours emails or calls by turning off notifications. I used to say yes to everything until one day my friend said something that stuck with me. You can't pour from an empty cup. Protecting your time is essential. 4. Prioritize self-care. It's not selfish. Now let's chat about self-care. It's not just bubble baths and candles. It's about nurturing yourself physically and mentally. Here are some ideas. Try out meditation apps for mindfulness. Dedicate time each week for hobbies that make you happy. Painting, gardening, whatever lights you up. Remember when we were kids? You had fun without guilt. Let's bring that back. 5. Connect with others. And finally, connect with others. Social support is key in fighting burnout. Reach out to friends or family. Share how you're feeling. It helps lighten the load. Even if it's just texting someone funny memes during lunch breaks. So there you have it. Your cheat sheet for beating burnout before it beats you down. Remember, recognize the signs. 2. Take those breaks. 3. Set firm boundaries. 4. Prioritize self-care. 5. Connect with others. These steps may seem small, but trust me, they add up fast. If this video resonated with you today, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs these tips too. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this because we're all about living our best lives together. Comment below on which tip you'll try first. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and keep shining bright.